Boyke, I don't think you understand. To be able to walk here today, having these properties that we've acquired over all these years, putting the properties together, consolidating the urban, buying up the properties, and to create one of the most iconic buildings on the corner of Church Street and Sea Point. I cannot be more proud.
So today, if you remember, April last year, we launched this development.
Dolce Vita is officially sold out! Oh!
We sold out in seconds, 65 units, and today we start handing over 65 homes, 26 today, but 65 over the next few days, to amazing people from all over South Africa and the world. I thought it was a piece of art, but it's more than that. It's actually a masterpiece. It's the culmination of the collective genius
Creation
of an entire professional team led by Robert Saul, R&M Construction, you and your project management team, and the whole BBG team. And today's the day.
Now let's go Handover!
We've already handed over 8 homes to 8 purchasers, and we've got another 18 that are starting to come now in the next few minutes. It's an exceptionally exciting day. I mean, look at this masterpiece. All the excitement really, the exhilaration in the people's demeanor and eyes and voice, and there's such a sense of excitement. It's quite incredible. It's quite an emotional thing to hand over something of yours that you've had for over a decade, which you've converted into this masterpiece, and then you hand over the homes to individual people.